to stabilize the rubble. And at the same time, it creates a media for coral fragments to attach. So after about a year, we started this project. A coral natural recruits start attaching to the structures. 150 coral recruits is actually very impressive. And we loved this about our project site. It's actually capturing new coral settlements, which is the foundations of a new reef, basically. In this trial, we want to know more surface for coral recruit to land. The second structures that we use in this trial is the reef plate. So the idea of the reef plate is basically we got inspired by a table coral. You see, table coral play a vital role, just create the surface that it can be used for a coral larvae to settle and grow new corals that is naturally grow from different genus, different species, and it will create a more diverse reef ecosystems in the project site. And the third one that we compare in this trial is the reef bell. Exciting, because after 4 months of deployment, it's proven that the reef bell is really effective on attracting fish populations. And with this fish that's going around guarding the eggs, the reef bells in Area 6, it's starting to look more like a fish village that we are hoping it would be when we first deploy it in this place. Wait to see how it goes and show it to you guys how every bit that you put on the Fun Extra, like contributing on the structures and bought the structures, is put together, arranged, covering the rubble area in Area 5. So stay tuned for this update. Last month we also measuring the size.
No life here to breathe, no hope for him. We drop these structures in the deep blues, trying to wake up a living dream. It's hard to work in such heavy weight, but we hold our breath for this little change. And never gave us room before the into building fish village rising from the deep stream. Promises that we swore to keep on gleam, letting the healing begin as a dream. Reef structures rise from the rubble rim, shadows where new life will swim. New life takes hold, no longer alone with them. Just to mimic the tide, with open arms and waiting space. Just open arms and waiting space to win this quiet. A dream, no longer cold, we start a game of streams, turning despair into pure beam. Fish village rising from the deep stream, promises that we swore to keep on gleam. Every scale and every finish scene, letting the healing begin as a dream.